I was in an automobile accident on Interstate 95. I had my daughter in the car. We were heading up north, just nice day, light traffic. And I was driving in the middle lane and I was struck by a driver that apparently just was not paying attention. I really didn't know that I had an injury. I know I felt off and did not feel well. But it really didn't settle in until a little bit after about a week that it was apparent that I had a concussion.
And the defense tried to use against her own toughness, and how could she possibly have been concussed if she was able to finish the trip and drive her daughter back to Richmond.
What I remember about my first visit with them was just overwhelmingly feeling like they could just take care of it. Like nothing was going to be too hard for me, because at the time I was still really struggling with my injury. And so some of the things, even filling out paperwork and just things that were commonplace to most people, were difficult.
Hearing her testify and hearing her husband testify about how her life drastically changed because of the car accident she was involved in, and how she's not able to function doing these things that she loved anymore, is the reason why you want to fight for her when you go to trial.
There was a very, very low offer for her going into trial. We tried this case for 2 days, or 3 days actually, in Prince William, Virginia.
And so, in that particular case, we had a great outcome. We got a verdict in a fairly conservative jurisdiction that was, I think it was about 12 times what the adjuster had offered.
Honestly, I think they did an outstanding job. I really do. I think they took an injury that's very difficult to prove because I don't show it physically on myself, what has happened, and they really represented me well.